The Salt Lake color scheme of the Vivo X Fold 6 is truly captivating at first glance, exuding a luxurious feel.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Inspired by pristine salt lakes and the mirror of the sky, this clean and soothing white color resembles a refreshing glass of sparkling water, clear and refreshing. Upon closer inspection, it reveals soft, natural textures. Understated yet sophisticated, the overall style is restrained and elegant, making it a standout for both everyday personal use and business occasions. The overall build quality is excellent. The back panel feels smooth and delicate, and it's resistant to fingerprints. The camera lens holder has a naturally raised bottom with a rounded, translucent white decorative ring on the outer edge. Very refined. It's clearly the workmanship of a major manufacturer. You can feel the genuine high-end quality as soon as you hold it. The body is also very lightweight, featuring a large, ear-shaped design with rounded edges on the metal frame, making it comfortable to hold. The external screen size is moderate, making one-handed operation convenient, and it feels almost identical to a candy bar phone. When unfolded, the internal screen offers a wide field of view, and upon closer inspection, it has equal bezels on all four sides, creating a harmonious look. Additionally, the Vivo X Fold 6 also comes with a telephoto lens accessory kit, compatible with the new JR telephoto lens. With just a few simple steps, the foldable screen transforms into a mini mirrorless camera and a telephoto powerhouse. It also allows for multi-screen framing by utilizing the folding mechanism. In short, the Vivo X Fold 6 not only boasts a stylish design and comfortable grip, but it becomes a telephoto photography marvel. Of course, it also offers many unexpected features and functions, getting better with use. Follow us and we'll show you how it works in a few days. This is just first impression. I will upload detailed review after official launch. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.